don't need me to remind you all again, right? Please draw diagram.
All right, champs. Why do you think drawing diagrams is a must? Look at this with me. A number gets divided, then something's added, then it's multiplied, and all we know is the final answer. Most students start guessing numbers until one works. But there's a smarter way. Work backward from the end. Undo each step, and let a simple diagram guide you. Watch.
Okay, so a number is divided by 3, then 5 is added, then it's multiplied by 2, and you get the result as 20. Okay, so if we draw the diagram, like that. Okay, so you have something divides by 3, okay, then you add 5, 2. So the result is 20. Okay, so working backwards, times 2 will just become divide 2. What's 20 divided 2? What's 20 divided by 2? And okay, now working backwards becomes plus 5 becomes minus 5. What's 10 minus 5? 5. Okay, and then we have divide 3. You change becomes times 3. So what's 5 times 3? 15. Very good. So the answer is just 15. Okay, don't need me to remind you all again, right? Please draw diagram.
Now that's tiger logic. No guessing, just to undo each step. Your turn, but watch out, this one hides a half.
Okay, come practice takes. Let's take a look. So they say that Corey has some books. Jay borrowed 8 from him, and then Kai borrowed half of what he had left after Jay borrowed 8, and Corey is left with 7. So actually we can just draw the diagram, okay, as long as it makes sense. Okay, so this is how much Corey had at the start. Okay, so the first circle represents how much Corey had at the start. So Jay borrowed 8 from him, right? So you are minus 8. After that, someone else, Kai will borrow half of the remaining. So half is what? Divide by 2, right? Okay, so after you have divide by 2, you're left with 7. So all you need to do is work backwards. So divide 2 becomes times 2. What's 7 times 2? 14. Work backwards. 14 minus 8 becomes plus 8. So what's 14 plus 8? 22. Very good. So the answer is 22 books. Okay.
If you find this video helpful, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more math content like this one. Last one, and it's the big one. 3 people, money moving both ways. Same trick, start from the end.
And so let's take a look at this. Adam, Betty, and Kathy, okay, the 3 friends. Okay, they each had a sum of money. Adam gave Betty $15, and then Betty gave Kathy $10. Now each of them has 20. So we are going to find the amount each of money of them. Find the amount of money each of them had at first. Okay, so we have Adam, Betty, and Kathy. Okay, so they all had something at first. Okay, Adam, Betty, and Kathy are. Okay, so first Adam gave Betty 15. So what happens to Adam's money? If Adam gave Betty 15, his money will minus 15. Okay, and Betty, if she got 15, it's just plus 15. Right? You can put ABC also. Okay, as long as you understand. Okay, so Adam gave Betty 15. So Adam loses 15, Betty gains 15. And then Betty gave Kathy 10. So if Betty gave Kathy 10, what will happen to Betty's money? It will minus 10, right? Correct? If Betty gave Kathy $10, Betty will minus 10, right? So that means Kathy's money will plus 10. And they say that now all of them have $20. So this one is 20, 20, 20. So what you need to do is just work backwards for each one of them. So Adam, work backwards, minus 15 becomes plus 15. So he had 35. For Betty, minus 10 becomes plus 10. She had 30. Okay, plus 15 becomes minus 15. Minus 15 is 15. Okay, Kathy is the simplest one. It's just working backwards, plus 10 becomes a minus 10. So what's 20 minus 10? 10. Okay, so that's your answer. These are your answers. So answer is Adam had $35, Betty had $15, and Kathy had $10.
Smart move, champs. Tell us in the comments which one you cracked first. Working backward is one tool. The full exam toolkit is next. We put together a free walkthrough of the exact methods our top scorers use. Tap the video on screen, and I'll see you there.